Ladies and gentlemen, as I had promised in our prior lesson, I had promised you that we are going to study numbers, and today's lesson is just going to be about numbers. In the Luo, when you say the word mathematics, it translates to kwan or kwano. There are various ways by which the Luo mention numerics in mathematics, and we are going just to list them from number 1 up to number 20 for this beginner series that we are going to do. We have got number 1. In the Luo, we say achiel. Number 2. In the Luo, we say ario. 3. In the Luo, we say adek. 4. We say angwen. 5. We say abich. 6. We say auchiel. 7. We say abirio. 8. We say aboro. 9. We say ochiko. And 10. We say apar. Ladies and gentlemen, you will realize that as from apar, or the 10th number that we are going to have in the Luo numerics, any other number that we are going to have up to 20 will just be an addition of the suffix apar plus the prefix, the number that we are going to add, and they will be recurrent. For example, when we have 11, we will say apar gachiel. We have combined apar, which is 10, plus achiel, which is 1. Then we have 12, apar gario. 13, apar gadek. 14, apar gangwen. 15, apar gabich. 16, apar gauchiel. 17, apar gabirio. 18, apar gaboro. 19, apar gochiko. 20, pier ario. And just like when we are reading the tens, when we'll be talking about 20 something, as from 21, 22, 23 up to 30, we are going to have the prefix that we had, pier ario, plus the number that will act as our suffix. So as from 20, we are going to have pier ario kod achiel, pier ario kod ario, pier ario kod adek for 23, pier ario kod angwen for 24, pier ario kod abich for 25, pier ario kod auchiel for 26, pier ario kod abirio for 27, pier ario kod aboro for 28, pier ario kod ochiko for 29. Then we are going to have 30 as pier adek. As from 30, the same criteria that we have been using to combine the suffix plus the prefix will be used up to the number 40. So as from pier adek or 30, we will have pier adek kod achiel 31, pier adek kod ario 32, pier adek kod adek for 33, pier adek kod angwen for 34, pier adek kod abich for 35, pier adek kod auchiel for 36, pier adek kod abirio for 37, pier adek kod aboro for 38, pier adek kod ochiko for 39. Then pier adek, that's not going to be pier adek, it's going to be a 40, which will be read as pier angwen for 40. Up to that part, I would like to introduce you and invite you to our next lesson that will be handling parts of the body.